Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Metal Gear Solid Snake Eater if it's not launching on your PC. Let's get started. First, check your graphics drivers, head over to NVIDIA or AMD's official website, download the latest version for your graphics card, install it, and then restart your computer. Next, try running the game as an administrator. To do this, right-click the game shortcut or .exe file, select Properties, go to the Compatibility tab, and check the box for Run this program as administrator. Click Apply, then OK, and try launching the game again. If it still won't start, the next step is verifying your game files. On Steam, right-click the game in your library, select Properties, go to Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan for any missing or corrupted files and replace them automatically. These quick fixes solve most launch problems, so you should be back in the action in no time. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.